Here is a list of 9 words with 5 different meanings for each, along with examples for each meaning. 1. Arm. Body part, she broke her arm while skating. Weaponry, the soldiers were armed with rifles. Branch of an organization, the research arm of the company is expanding. Furniture part, the chair's arm was made of wood. To equip or prepare, they armed themselves with knowledge before the test. 2. Bark. Dog sound, the dog's bark scared the intruder. Tree covering, the bark of the tree was rough. Harsh speech, he barked orders at his team. Boat type, archaic, the sailors boarded the bark for their voyage. Candy coating, chocolate bark is a popular treat. 3. Bat. Flying mammal, bats are nocturnal creatures. Sports equipment, he swung the crazy, slang, he went batty after hearing the news. 4. Bear. Animal, the bear roamed the forest. To tolerate, I can't bear this heat anymore. To carry or support, she bore the weight of her responsibilities well. Direction, nautical, bear left at the fork in the road. To produce or yield, the tree bears fruit every summer. 5. Bow. Weapon for archery, he used a bow to hunt deer. Ribbon knot, she tied her hair with a bow. To bend forward in respect, he bowed before the king. Front of a ship, the bow of the ship faced the waves. Violin accessory, the musician tightened the bow before playing. 6. Match. Competition, the soccer match was thrilling. Pairing items together, her shoes match her dress perfectly. Fire starter stick, he lit a match to start the campfire. Equal or rival someone something, no one could match his skill in chess. Romantic pairing, they are a perfect match. 7. Lead. Metal element, lead pipes were common in older buildings. To guide or direct others, she leads the team with confidence. Position ahead in a race or competition, he took the lead in the marathon. Clue or information, investigation, the detective followed a promising lead. Graphite and pencils, misnomer, pencils contain lead for writing. 8. Light. Illumination source, turn on the light, it's too dark here. Not heavy in weight, this suitcase is surprisingly light. Gentle or mild, touch impact, she gave him a light tap on his shoulder. Color shade, pale, she painted her room light blue. Ignition, fire, he lit a candle using a match. 9. Spring. Season of rebirth and growth, spring is my favorite season. Elastic device mechanism, the mattress has strong springs for support. Water source from underground, they found a natural spring in the mountains. Sudden movement jump forward, he sprang into action. Resilience energy, figurative, she has a spring in her step.